Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I'm going to do this makeup look which has some glitter in it, some baby pinks colors, and also has some green and maybe a little bluish colors in there. It has a little of everything. I just was inspired today. So if you want to see how I do this look, please stay and watch. Thank you. I'm going to use this BB cream and this foundation, both products by the brand L'Oreal. I'm going to apply the foundation first and the BB cream on top, and I'm going to mix it a little bit. Then I'm going to take my sponge that I have wetted with water and I'm going to start blending in. I like to mix this BB cream with whatever foundation I use because I notice that whenever I do that, my pores look smaller and I like that effect. Also, this foundation Infallible Pro Matte, I like it because it covers well but it leaves your skin looking natural. I'm going to use this concealer by the brand Laguerre Pro Concealer and I'm going to apply it on my dark circles in a triangle shape. Also, I'm going to be applying it in another part of my face. I'm going to show you right here how pretty I look. Anyway, I'm just going to take my sponge and I'm going to blend the concealer. I'm gonna make sure that the concealer is right here on the sides of my nose. I do want to mention that I like to use I like for my concealer to be 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, because that way it will help me to highlight my face, to bring light to the areas that I want to be highlighted. Also, I like to use my concealer on my eyelids because that will help me as a base for my eyeshadows so that the colors pop some more. And here I'm just blending everything, making sure everything looks nice and looks pretty. I'm going to take some water to wet my sponge a little bit, and I'm going to be using this translucent powder by Ben Nye in the color Banana, and I'm going to put it first on my eyelids and then I'm going to put it on my dark circles. And I do that because I had some wrinkles on my dark circles and I want more of the color to be on the eyelids, because if I put too much powder on my dark circles, then my wrinkles are going to be emphasized and I don't want that. Also, I'm going to put the foundation in the middle of my neck and I'm going to set it with the powder. I'm going to take this brush and this eyeshadow, which is a brown orange eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it right here on my crease. And I'm gonna blend it in. I'm gonna go in and out, in and out. Also, I'm going to go up and down, up and down, so that it looks nice and well blended. I'm gonna take this blue turquoise kind of colored eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply it right here on the corner first. And then I'm gonna start blending in, going up and down, and then I'm gonna go in and blend. I'm gonna go up a little bit. I'm gonna take my concealer one more time, and I'm only doing this because I'm gonna be applying an eyeshadow that is very light, so I want the color to really pop. And I know that when you do this, you are actually cutting your crease, so just be careful because to do this is kind of difficult. So just be patient and careful whenever you are doing it. Just take your time. See, it should look like this. And this is the eyeshadow I was talking about. It's an eyeshadow by NYX and the color is Sky Pink Pearl. And I'm going to apply it on top of the concealer. As you can see, it's a very light pink and it looks very, very pretty. Actually, I like it a lot. It's very shimmery, shines nicely. I'm going to take this eyelash glue with this Q-tip, and I'm gonna put the glue at the edge of where I put the concealer or at the edge where I put the eyeshadow, however you wanna see it. And on top of that glue, I'm gonna be putting a glitter eyeshadow. But whenever you do this line just with the glue, just be careful again and be patient. See, I made a mistake there and I'm correcting it. I like those Q-tips because I think they come very handy when you are doing your makeup, especially if you make a mistake. They help you. I'm gonna use this glitter and this tiny brush and I'm gonna be putting that glitter on top of the glue, and that glitter is a color similar to the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna be using this black eyeshadow and putting it right here in the corner, and I'm gonna keep it right there in the corner. And I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna switch for another brush because I wanted to go up a little, and this eyeshadow has some sparkle to it, and I wanted it to be that way so it will keep with the theme of the glitter and the pink color. I'm using this color now to apply it right here and right here because I want to highlight those areas. So I'm blending. I'm gonna be using this yellow gold, very shimmery color, and applying it right here in the corner and blending in. I'm gonna take this eye pencil and I'm gonna apply it right here, also up there. And I made a mistake but don't worry, we can fix it. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow by NYX and I'm putting it on top of the black eye pencil to cover it up. Then I'm just gonna take my liquid eyeliner and I'm gonna line my eye. And I like to do this to go out a little bit, but you don't have to do it, that's optional. I do it because I think it looks very pretty and I like it very much. I'm gonna be taking this green color and I'm gonna be placing it right here and blend it in. But when I'm blending in, I'm gonna make sure to go all the way up so that everything looks well integrated. And this color is pretty because even though it's dark, it's more like a pastel tone dark green. I have two powders here, one that is my color and the other one that is a shade darker. I'm gonna put the color that is a shade darker just to help my contouring, to make my face thinner, even a little more thinner. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and contour as usual. That's my contouring color, and I do have a video about how to contour and highlight your face. I'm gonna put a link right here on that top upper right corner of the screen, so if you are interested in watching, you can just click on it. For now, I'm just gonna do it quick here. I'm not gonna explain it so it doesn't take too much time. I'm also contouring my nose, but I'm not gonna do anything big or fancy. I'm just gonna do something quick and easy, but I do have a video about how to contour your nose also, and I'm gonna put a link right here on that top right corner. I'm gonna apply my blush, which is a light pink. I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow as a highlighter, which is light yellow, and it has a little sheen to it, not much, so it looks very natural actually. That's why I like it. And I'm gonna be applying it in those places that you are seeing right now. I'm gonna apply this lipstick right there on my teeth because that's so trendy right now. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Maybe I can do it this time. And it's working. Okay, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. I like it very much. I think it turned out to be really nice, very boo, like boo. I like it. I want to mention that I did put two set of eyelashes. So I have two eyelashes on each eye, and I did it because at first I put one pair and I didn't like it so much. I saw it looks too natural and I wanted a little more, I don't know, more intensity, something that boom shows a little more. So I decided to put another set to make my eyelashes look more fuller, you know, because that will make the eyes look more boom. So, and I'm using this lip liner here on my lips, all over my lips, And I'm gonna keep this color because I think it looks better. You can use the first one too if you want to, but that will be a little more natural, and that's fine, depends on whatever you want to do. I just feel like going all that way today with my makeup, and that's what I did. So anyway, thank you very much for being here. That's it for today, and I will see you next time. Bye.